Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Harshil. This is Harshil Chudasma, and today in this video we will talk about what is the header tag, what is the main tag, and what is the footer tag, and where it is used in the making of our web page or website. So let's get started. First of all, you have a HTML file and you have this HTML basic structure and give the title to that. So first thing is the header tag. Okay, so header tag, let I write here header tag like this. So header as its name, so it is showing that yes, it is the part of a head. Okay, so if you are making a website, then at that time you have a navigation bar, you have some content, and you have some footer tag at the end. Okay, so if we talk about the header tag, then you have a navigation bar, and inside that navigation bar you have a logo, you have a contact information, you have a pages like home, contact, about. Okay, like that. So all these things you can store inside this header tag. Okay, let I write here h1 as a logo, and then I'm creating a unordered list. Okay, and then I will write here, let's say home, then services, contact, and then about. Okay, like this. Save this file and refresh here, then you can see we got our logo and home, service, contact, and about. So all these things means we can say that it is a one type of navigation bar, but just we have to added this inside the CSS. Okay, so that is all about the header tag. I hope you have clear idea about this header tag. Now let's move forward to the main tag. So I will write the main tag here like this. So let's say if you have here 4 pages, right? So home, service, contact, and about. So all the pages content you can write inside this main tag. Okay, so here you can write like home content, like this. I'm writing anything here, and just our dummy text here. So let's save this file and refresh here, then you can see we got our text here and our dummy text also. So this is how we can write our content inside this main tag. Okay, so that is all about main tag. I hope you have clear idea about that. Now we will move forward to the footer tag. So footer like this. So at the end of our website, whatever the person will see, that is our footer tag. Means you can see that there is a copyright, or there is the page information, or our social media icons like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, so that thing we can write inside this footer tag. Okay, so let's say I'm writing here copyright 2020 by Harshil. Okay, like this I have written here, and I can give our page information. Okay, so from the footer, okay, means at from the end of our website also, the user can go to the any page. Okay, so like this, save it and refresh here, then you can see we got our list, and here we have our copyright. Okay, so this is how we can edit the footer, main, and header, and we can use it to make a website. Okay, so that's all about this video. I hope you have clear idea about header, main, and footer tag. But still, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment. And guys, if you are new to our channel, then make sure you subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification videos on my channel. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.